Well, it's a lonesome away from your kindred and all, by the campfire at night, where the wild dingo calls. There ain't nothing so lonesome, a morbid or drear, than to stand in the bar of the pub with no beer. We's got tea, man. And old Jimmy the blacksmith, first time in his life, why he's gone home cold sober to his darling wife. Walks in the kitchen, she said, "You're early, little dear." Then he breaks down and tells her the pup's got no beer. This baby is going on the back of the bike to my passenger seat when I pick up hot Ali from Russia. Yeah, it's got the latest one, see? Oh, it'll go right down to the, whatever this is, the mud flat, and then up to under the light, and that's going to be the back of the seat, like this. Yeah, that's what it's going to be. And this baby, I'll show you this baby, you're already flattening there. He comes up on the for the dashboard. It's going to be the dashboard where I attach my mobile home. Right, beautiful. Oh, Jimmy the blacksmith, first time in his life, why he's gone home cold sober, his darling wife. He walks in the kitchen, said, "You early, Bill dear," and then he breaks down as he tells her the pup's got no beer. I'll be having my tea in a minute, this one. Conjuring up nicely there for myself. Yep, and then the next project, right in this baby here, right inside, will go a turbine steam engine and a generator on the outside. There'll be a shaft coming through to